How to cancel a pending transaction on Wells Fargo. In this video, we're going to be looking at if it actually is possible to cancel pending transactions on Wells Fargo. So you cannot actually cancel a pending transaction on your Wells Fargo account yourself. Only the merchant can cancel a pending transaction. If you need to cancel a pending transaction, you will need to contact the merchant directly. The merchant will then be able to cancel the transaction if it is not yet processed. However, if the transaction has already been processed, the merchant may not be able to cancel it. A pending transaction is a transaction that has been authorised by a bank, but the money has not yet transferred from your account. Pending transactions can take a few days to clear, depending on the merchant. And here are a few reasons why a pending transaction might not go through. The merchant may have cancelled the order. The payment may have been declined by a bank, or there may be a problem with your bank account. And here are some tips to avoid pending transactions. Make sure you have enough money in your account to cover the payment. Check with the merchant to make sure the order is still valid. And review your bank statements regularly for any unauthorised charges. If you're not sure why a pending transaction has not gone through, you can contact your bank for more information. And that is how you can cancel a pending transaction on Wells Fargo. If you found this video helpful, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.